Naaalala niyo ba siya? Ang kauna-unahang bad boy sa PBA. Record holder ng kauna-unahang player na nasuspinde at nagmulta dahil sa panapak kay Bernie Parbiosa ng Crispa. Kilala bilang defensive enforcer ng kupo ng Toyota noong dekada 70s hanggang 80. Tubong barangay Tinago, Osamis City. Nakilala ang kanyang pangalan sa paglalaro ng basketball sa Cebu City. Naging varsity ng Southwestern University at University of Visayas. Pioneer player ng PBA na nakapaglaro sa Toyota ng 6 na seasons sa kupunan ng Toyota. Nakakuha siya ng 3 kampyonato. Tunay na maaasahang defensive enforcer ng kanyang koponan. Ano mga tol, naalala niyo ba ang the original bad boy ng PBA?
Going up to United while Senator Jaworski led up to Rocha. Okay, hold it now. Things are getting hot here. All right. In the 70s and 80s. That's just like in the 70s and 80s, all right. Rocha is an enforcer as far as the Toyota team is concerned, and he's not going to back off. Not at all. We do have a timeout. We'll be back.